Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can create a Wix website for local wedding planner business. So let's get started. Watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So the first thing to do is to sign up for Wix account, or if you already have an account, just log into your account and click on create new site and choose the business as your category, then select a wedding planner template or search for one. Then after that, click edit to customize the template. Then once you edit that, you can also go to the add, which is the plus icon, then click on the image, then click on upload image and upload your logo. Then after that, use a stunning image of a wedding or a venue. And after that, create a catchy headline like your dream wedding, which is perfect planned. Then write a brief about you and your service. And after that, you can also go to the minus and page, then click on add page, then click on service. Then from there, you can list your wedding planning service. For example, you can add your maybe for full wedding planning or day of coordination and event selection. And after that, you can add image of each service. Then also can also add a gallery to showcase photos of previous wedding or events you've organized. Then go to add, then click on the plus icon, then click on gallery and upload photos. Then for testimonial page, add the testimonial section or page for client review. Then go to add, then click on the plus icon, then click on test, then click on test, then add testimonials. Then for contact page, add a contact form so potential clients can reach you. So to do that, go to the add, which is the plus icon, then click on contact, then you can also click on contact form. Then include your phone number, email, and your social media links just to reach out to you. Then after that, go to the Wix app market and search for Wix booking. Then click on the add to site and follow the setup process. You can also add clients to schedule consultation or planning meetings directly through your website. And also for you to do that, go to the dashboard and click on marketing and SEO, then fill out the SEO base with your business name, location, and the service, and also add location specific keywords like wedding planner in your city. And after that, enable the Google business integration to help with your local search visibility. And after that, you can also add social media links. To do that, go to the plus icon, then click on social and choose social icon. Then fill in your Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or any other social platforms where you promote your work. Then once you're satisfied, you can preview your website to ensure everything looks so good. Then you can test the booking and contact form just to make sure everything works perfectly. Then click on publish. Then you are ready to go live, and that's how you can simply create a Wix website for local wedding planner business. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and follow for more.